Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. Let's talk about Palantir again. Now we've been discussing this stock for the past few weeks. Been trying to look for some support levels, and to be honest, it all played out pretty nicely. So we did discover this support line right here at around 1380, and as you can see, the stock perfectly rebounded above that level. And that was the moment when we said, okay, watch that close above the 20-day for new support, and look at that. It is perfect support. The 20-day moving average is a very, very nice point, and it's a very nice point to buy some extra shares if you are accumulating Palantir shares at this moment. And as you can see, the break above, the close above was the new support of the 20-day after we broke below it 2 weeks ago on the 21st of June. The big question, of course, however, is what's next for the stock? What levels do we still have to watch? Well, we are currently seeing some interesting patterns here. We do see this pattern here, which was the high of the 7th of June and the high of the 20th of June. Now that forms a beginning of a bull flag. Now, in order for this bull flag to get even a bigger pattern, of course, we need to touch that level again and hopefully break that level again. So if we can break these lower highs, then of course the big resistance will be the high of this whole run up since May, and that is at around $17.16. Now, if we can break that, of course, we can go much, much higher. However, on the downside, we also have to monitor this 20-day. It's very, very fragile, of course, as it has only been a support for 3 days now, and we're basically only 25 cents above that support. So if there's going to be a bad day in the stock market, we might break below that again. And then, of course, we gotta have to monitor the low of last week, which was at around $13.60. If we're gonna break that, I've always been saying that we should still be monitoring that green line, and that green line is the 50-day moving average. Of course, it's coming up every day, so the later the downward move will happen, the higher the support point will be, and it could well be, let's say, if we're gonna break lower in the next couple of weeks, the low point might be at $13 or $14, which wouldn't, of course, be too bad given the fact we are coming from $7. So the longer it takes for the downward move to happen, the better for the stock. So I wouldn't be feeling too bad if it would happen in a couple of weeks, the downward move, because yeah, the support will go up and up and up. Now, of course, we're more interested in the long term if we break those levels. Now, then we go to the weekly, we do see that there's literally no support, no resistance anywhere near right now, which makes it very interesting for an aggressive move up. Now, we have been discussing the scenario where the stock could settle back at the 25 level, and that's basically the next move up of Palantir. Now, of course, there are some other resistances to watch, which will be at this level right here. It's around $20. Now, it's not only a psychological level, but also it was the resistance here in this area in December 2021 when the stock was trying to settle there. It was also previous support right here. It was at around $17, which is now, of course, the resistance, and here low at the 18. So there will be some levels at 18, 19, $20, but above that, as you can clearly see, there's literally not much left, and we can easily settle back at the $25 on the long term. However, it's still quite far away at this stage, as you're still only at $15. So the big levels to watch, I'm going to say it again here, are that $17 high at June 5th. That's absolutely either a profit taking point or opening a new position or adding to your position, because it would be a buy signal. If we fail to break that, it would be a sell signal. So that's clearly the level I'm going to monitor the next couple of weeks. So here you got it. You got the resistance of the bull flag we're currently in, which is going down every day, currently around $16.50. Got the 17.19, and for the support, we do the 20-day at 15.22, and the levels at 13.80 and 13.60, and of course the 50-day if we're going to drop below that. Now, please, I hope you can do something with this. Please use them as your alerts, as your notifications if the stock drops there, or either place some buy or sell orders on those levels. It can really, really help. Also, in the comments, please let me know if you want to see other stocks being discussed on this channel, And also please don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. And then I hope to see you all the next video.